So everyone is leaving TikTok right now and they're looking for the next app to build on. And here I am, I'm like, dude, YouTube is really where it's at. It's the best platform to build a following in a business. So I've been on YouTube for a while now, and I want to talk about the things that keeps making me stay on YouTube and focusing on building my business on YouTube. Number one, YouTube has been around for a while. It's a very well-established video platform company. They've been around since 2005, and by now they have already gone through all the legal stuff. They hashed out any technical issues, and right now it's robust. And YouTube, backed by Google, is not gonna go anywhere. These guys have a lot of money. They already invested so much in it, and they already have so many relationships with big brands. YouTube is not gonna go anywhere. Now, some people say, dude, but I can get so many views on TikTok. That's because a view on YouTube does not equal a view on these other platforms, especially the short form platforms. One view on YouTube, it could be 10 minutes, it could be 30 minutes, it could be 40 minutes, but one view over there, I mean, whatever the maximum is right now for the short videos, 2-3 minutes, and that's if that person stayed and watch that video all the way through. So when companies want to put their ads, they want to advertise something, they're not going to spend so much money on TikTok and Instagram. They're going to put it where people are watching the most, and that's on YouTube. And the more money they put into those ads on YouTube for your creator, the more money you make as well. And my third point is that content on YouTube, it lives forever. And if you become strategic and make especially videos around tutorials and how-tos and solving problems, people are going to be searching those things, now, a year from now, a couple years from now. And as I mentioned in the past, I have some tutorial videos on my channel from 5 years ago until now. They are still getting viewed, still generating revenue, and they're my top viewed videos. The videos on YouTube, you can make them evergreen where they keep working for you, versus on TikTok and Instagram, whenever you post something, it might go viral, it might generate 1,000 views or something like that, or 100,000 views, but then after a couple days, it dies down and that video, you'll never see it again. Number 4 is discoverability. On YouTube, not only it's backed by Google search engine, so whenever you search for something and there's a video about it, it's going to show up on the search results, but also they offer so many different types of content that can bring more eyes to your channel. You can go with long form videos, short form videos with YouTube Shorts. You can do lives, you can do live shorts. You can also do posts in your community tab. So there's so many different type of content that you can generate and create on YouTube. And the more content you have out there, more chances your people are gonna find you and your channel. And number 5 is YouTube allows you to drive traffic elsewhere. Unlike Instagram and TikTok, where you can't post links in your post and description or comments, you only have that link in bio option. On YouTube, you can actually put links in your description, you can put them in the comments, you can even put them on the video at the end screens, so you can drive people to your Patreon or your newsletter. And you can also use affiliate links. That's another way to make money on YouTube, which brings me to point number 6, and that is monetization. There are so many different ways for you to monetize your content on YouTube. You have the obvious ad revenue, you have super chats and gifts, which is kind of like a tip jar that people can send you money on a video or if you're going live. There's also paid memberships, so you can have people join your membership on a YouTube, or you have different tiers. You can have, you can integrate your shop. So if you have a Shopify, you can integrate it with YouTube, so your products will show up at the bottom of the video. There's also branded content. Used to be, reach out to companies and have sponsorship deals or use an agency, but now YouTube also has branded content section in your YouTube studio where you can see some deals, and where it allows also brands to reach out to you that way. And on top of that, obviously, like I mentioned, you can have affiliate links where you can make money from recommending products that you use and review on your channel. And my last point is you can build real community on YouTube. Now, unlike TikTok and Instagram, where you're the comment section is like chaos. It's hard to keep track, and it's hard to kind of like build a community in there where you can talk to your people. On YouTube, you have the community tab, which is great for, you know, sharing behind the scenes. You can have like member specific videos that you can share on there, but also on top of that, you can link it to your Discord, you can link it to your Patreon. So that's the power that YouTube gives you when you build a channel, is that you can build real community, not just followers, just real people who love what you do, and you can establish closer connection to them. All right, now if you're a musician and you're excited to get started on YouTube, I am working on a YouTube starter kit for you. It's almost done, so I highly recommend for you to join the newsletter. I'll put a link for it in the description below, so that way I'll hit you up as soon as it's ready and get in on that, you know, first launch deal. Otherwise, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.